So welcome to this short tutorial on how to navigate through Engage Learning's website. Firstly, I would invite you to connect to engagelearningmagazine.com. And once you're at the main page, you'll notice in the navigation menu, the very last section is called News and Resources. You can click on the very first option, Newsfeed. In this section, you'll find various information that we are sharing with educators pertaining to events, conferences, different resources, different approaches, strategies, and so forth that we feel could be helpful in education pertaining to technology, professional development, and so forth. So this section is completely complimentary. There is no cost. You do not need to be subscribed to our services to access this information. We would also invite you to reach out to us, share with us any information on events that you're hosting, events that you've heard of that are happening, different conferences, resources, projects, anything you're proud of that could help others in education that you feel would be helpful. If you have press releases or anything of the sort, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to hear from you and share your information with our other readers. I would also draw your attention to in the navigation menu, you'll see in the same section for news and resources, we have a directory of AI tools that we are updating for education, as well as inspiring classroom posters. Any events that we will be hosting will be announced in the events section, same for training. And I would also strongly encourage you to click on the magazine option and you can browse all issues to see the different themes, different topics that we've addressed in Engage Learning magazine. If you scroll down at the very bottom in our quick links, you'll notice a link for contacting us. I would encourage you to do so to share any of that information as I was mentioning for news and resources, or if you just have questions for us, we'd love to hear from you. So we do look forward to connecting with you again soon, and thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a great day. Take care.